this is Dustin Stevens. In this video, I will show you how to download the Q-Skills presentation program called iTools from the ELC's shared OneDrive folder, and then how to install it onto your desktop. First, you need to find the iTools download folder on OneDrive. You can find this by going to the ELC EdTech Wiki and then opening the Q-Skills page in the Help Center. Scroll down to iTools and click on the OneDrive link. Inside the folder, find the folder for the level and skill you need. Right-click on this folder or click on the Actions icon and choose Download. You might need to wait a few minutes for the entire file to download. Once the file is downloaded, find the file. It might be in the Download folder of your computer. Right-click on the file and choose Extract Files ... In the extraction window, choose where you want the program to go, for example the desktop, and then click OK. The file will now start extracting. Again, this can take a few minutes. When it's finished, just find the extracted folder and open the iTools application. That's it. I now have the iTools program ready to go for my class.